At Sky360, we understand that in today's real estate market, first impressions are everything. That's why we specialize in creating stunning, high-impact marketing visuals that highlight the best aspects of your property, from aerial shots that capture the full scale of your site to immersive walkthroughs that bring the interior to life. Our drone-powered videography offers a dynamic perspective that traditional methods just can't match, giving potential buyers and investors a comprehensive and captivating view of your property. From expansive office parks to modern high-rises, we tailor our approach to meet the unique needs of every property, with seamless transitions between aerial footage and interior videography. Our videos tell a story that showcases the full potential of your asset, helping it stand out in a crowded market. Whether you're listing a property for sale, leasing to new tenants, or promoting a new development, our professional videography and editing services provide the marketing edge you need. Our team delivers content that not only captures attention, but also conveys the value of your property. We work closely with real estate professionals to ensure every angle is covered, providing high-quality videos that can be used across all marketing channels, from online listings and social media to presentations and client pitches. At Sky360, we believe that great marketing starts with great imagery, and we're here to help you showcase your property in the best possible light.